Why should I care about spending money to remodel my house? For some of you, this is a numbers thing. How much will the house be worth? How much could I sell it for? How much could I refi and pull out? But for others, it's a combination of enjoyment and practicality and a lot of mental and psychological benefits. So let's go over the three non-monetary benefits of remodeling the house. The first is you will be able to truly enjoy the space. If you're adding a new bedroom or bathroom or outdoor space that you can spend more time in, I think that will increase your enjoyment in the house. The second is it creates a greater desire to be there. If this is the house that meets more of your personal needs, you have no reason to sell it or go look elsewhere. And then lastly, you will be happy with checking off the box and getting done with a project. A lot of you guys are big on doing projects and then getting those off of your to-do list. So I think those are three very critical reasons for some of you to consider spending the money to remodel your place. Let me know in the comments if you agree or disagree, or if there's something else that you think would be a benefit to the remodel.